Hello everyone and welcome to the Farming 4.0 channel. Today we're diving into one of the world's most beloved foods, the potato. We'll explore the secrets of potato cultivation, from planting and care to harvesting. But we won't stop there. We'll take it a step further and see how these delicious potatoes are transformed into crispy chips, ready to be enjoyed. If you like what you see and want to learn more about modern farming, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to be the first to know when we drop new videos. Potato cultivation begins with planting tubers in well-prepared soil, followed by careful watering and fertilization. After about 3-4 months, the potatoes are harvested and selected for processing. In factories, the potatoes are washed, peeled, sliced thinly, and fried in hot oil until crispy. After frying, the chips are salted and packaged, ready for consumption. Growing small potato seedlings in a greenhouse is an efficient method to ensure healthy and early plant development. This process begins by selecting healthy tubers, which are prepared for planting in trays or pots filled with a fertile and well-drained soil mixture. The tubers are planted at a depth of about 5 to 10 centimeters, with the eyes facing upwards. The greenhouse provides a controlled environment where temperature and humidity are kept consistent, promoting rapid and uniform germination of the seedlings. Filtered sunlight or artificial lighting ensures the necessary photosynthesis for plant growth. It's important to monitor moisture levels, avoiding overwatering that could lead to tuber rot. As the seedlings grow and the first leaves appear, they can be gradually acclimated to outdoor conditions, preparing them for transplanting into the open field. This way, the seedlings will be more vigorous and have a strong start in the growing season. After the potato seedlings are planted in the fields, protecting them from pests like the Colorado potato beetle becomes essential. This protection can be done either manually or with the help of modern technology, such as drones. Manual spraying involves using portable sprayers or tractor-mounted sprayers. This method allows for precise application of insecticides, but is more labor-intensive and time-consuming, especially on large areas. Using drones for spraying is an increasingly popular method in modern agriculture. Drones are equipped with tanks and spraying systems that distribute insecticides evenly over the fields. The advantages of using drones include covering large areas quickly, reducing workers' exposure to chemicals, and precisely applying treatments even in hard-to-reach areas or difficult terrain. This technology helps streamline the crop protection process and reduce operational costs while ensuring uniform and effective application of treatments against the Colorado potato beetle. Once the potatoes reach maturity, they're harvested using advanced machinery designed to efficiently gather the crop. These machines, known as potato harvesters, are highly effective in managing large-scale harvesting operations. Potato harvesters work by digging into the soil and lifting the potatoes out of the ground, along with some soil and plant debris. The machines are equipped with sieving belts that shake off the excess soil and separate the potatoes from the vines and other unwanted material. The clean potatoes are then collected into storage tanks or directly loaded onto trailers for transport. Once they arrive at the factory, the potatoes go through a thorough washing process to remove mud, dirt, and microbes. This is a crucial first step to ensure they are clean and safe for further processing. First, the potatoes are subjected to a powerful water spray that removes dirt and mud. Then they pass through mechanical scrubbers equipped with rotating brushes that clean off any remaining soil or debris. After this stage, the potatoes might also be rinsed with a mild food-grade disinfectant to eliminate harmful microbes, ensuring they are fully cleaned and ready for the next processing stages, whether peeling, slicing, or other preparations, depending on the final product, such as chips or fries. After the potatoes are washed, they go through a cutting process where they are sliced into thin, uniform pieces using precise machinery. These slices are then fried in hot oil until they become crispy and golden. After frying, the chips are drained of excess oil and can be seasoned with salt or other flavors. Finally, the chips are packaged in special bags that preserve their freshness and crunch, ready to reach consumers. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.